This is your lesson essential question. Remember, a lesson essential question is a goal for your learning. The LEQ, or lesson essential question for today is, how can you tell the name of a two-dimensional shape? So today you're going to be naming two-dimensional or 2D shapes. 2D shapes are flat shapes. Shapes can be identified and drawn based on their attributes. Attributes are words that describe the way a shape looks. When we're naming or drawing shapes, we first need to identify if the shape is 2D or 3D. Two-dimensional shapes are flat. Three-dimensional shapes are not flat. Next, we need to identify the number of sides and faces and their sizes. Then we need to identify the number of vertices and angles. Vertices are the points where lines meet. You can see this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. Angles are formed when two lines come together. Sides are the lines that make the shapes. Shapes also have faces, which is the flat part of the shape. We can use information about the attributes of the shape to name or draw the shapes. Here are some of the shapes that you're going to name and draw in this unit. These are triangles. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 vertices. These are quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 vertices. These are pentagons. Pentagons have 5 sides and 5 vertices. And these are hexagons. Hexagons have 6 sides and 6 vertices. I want you to notice that even though shapes might have the same name, they can look a little different. So hexagons have 6 sides and 6 vertices, but they definitely look a lot different from each other. Same with all the other shapes. Triangles all have 3 sides and 3 vertices, but the size of their angle makes them look a little different. Now it's time for you to practice in your practice book.